Hello, E-Monkeys. Today we are going over Harley Quinn's Suicide Squad gun. Now, this isn't the exact replica, but it's the closest I got within a week. And this is one of the first times I actually modify a gun. You can find the Joker face template in the description for your gun. Make sure you print out 2 of them. And here is what the gun looked like beforehand, before I even painted it or anything. I figured I'd give y'all a little hint of what I was working with. I found it at Walmart for a few dollars, so it actually wasn't bad, and it came with 2 in a holster that you saw earlier. And here's a certain way that I would tape it up so I can paint it, and I used white and black spray paint to paint them each. I just covered them up. This isn't the exact replica because I'm not experienced in this yet, but I gave it a shot, and here's the gun I came up with so far. There's the Joker piece, here's the gun with the diamonds. I kept that on there because Tennessee is very strange with their little laws. If I don't show this being on there, it's even in the photographs too. If I don't show this being on there, then I can get in trouble for having this out in public. So in Tennessee, they require you to have this on. So yeah, but it shoots. So that's cool at least. And it does make noise if you actually put stuff in it. You put the little thing in there and it'll actually make a sound. But I don't have any of that. So. And you can pull it this way and shoot it that way too if you want. And it says love, hate, love, hate. It says it all the way around, but I didn't get to doing that yet. But this is the basis of the gun. All I did was paint it and Mod Podged it. And I stuck these diamonds. These were left over from studding my belt, and I just stuck them across there. I know it has more of a design on hers, but this is the closest I got. So it's not bad for a try. Watch this. See if I can figure out which side it is. Aha! Ooh.